gonna start off a quick vlog here. We're gonna go pick up my new car.
Let me double check it. I know. Okay, and then 3 references. Actually, these ones here, initial, and signatures. And I'm not sure if there's any. Okay, I'll just double check these because I'm not sure if you have to sign beside anything else. Here.
So guys, we're heading to Montreal. We're taking a road trip. I have a 5-hour drive or something like that. Yeah, we're heading out to Montreal, so I'm just grabbing some food before we head up there. Thank you. Is there ketchup in the bag? Thanks. Okay, so I have a 5-hour drive ahead of me. You guys know my family used to live in Montreal. My older sister still lives out there, and it's 5 hours away from Toronto. Sometimes I get there in 4. You know, we're heading out there for the weekend. You guys wish me luck on this drive. I usually always say like a quick prayer when I'm going on these road trips, so just because you never know. Like, I know I'm a good driver, but there's some people out there that just cannot drive. And yeah, so yeah, once I'm done my food, I'm gonna say my quick little prayer, and then we're gonna push out, and I'm gonna take you guys with me on my journey. So we are here in Montreal. I finally reached. Say hi to my sister, you guys. Hello. We're about to go get some drinks, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm about to go take my mom to the pool. Not the pool, a spa. No, it is off, so we're kind of crazy right now, but yeah. So I'm about to go take her to the spa so she can relax and have, you know, some chill moment for herself. Guys, the weather in Montreal is cold as hell. Compared to Toronto, it's freezing out here. And this swimsuit, I think my sister got it from Fashion Nova. I stole it from her. So if you're about to ask where I got my swimsuit, I don't know. Where'd you get it?
Fashion Nova.
Don't worry, you're not in that.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know what you don't feel like it?
So are you gonna take the kids?
To the house?
I like this way because it looks so natural, you guys. Like, look at the hairline. And of course, my mom is taking forever to get ready.
Hi guys, so this is my YouTube channel.
This is my YouTube channel.
That's Kayla YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So today, my YouTube channel is at Kayla House.
Oh yeah? That's what we're doing? What's on your shirt? Is that a hole in your shirt?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, how did that happen?
Somebody took it.
Who chucked it?
Myself.
Why would you chuck your shirt?
I took my shirt.
But why? You can't be destroying your clothes. So we're about to head to the spa now. Say hi, Mama. Hi. This is my mom. I guys met her before, so. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we're there. Yes. In the front.
You gotta pull up on the other side.
No. That was eventful. The wigs. And lift them.
You had fun?
Totally.
Hairstyle from the 90s.
I was good. I got a groove back.
Yep. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel so uncomfortable driving in an untinted car. Like, my windows need to be dark where nobody can see inside, because I don't know why. I think I've just seen too many crazy shit happen this year that, like, I don't feel safe. Like, yeah, I just don't want nobody to be able to see into my car. So we're gonna go get my windows tinted, and then I have a pedicure appointment at 2 o'clock. And yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing today, you guys. It's been a boring week. I just got back from Montreal last night. And yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog in like probably 2 days from now. Windows tinted, you guys. I can't touch it for a week though. That's what it says. Do not roll down or wash windows for 3 to 5 days. So yeah, I'm happy now. So when I picked up some packages that was sent to me. Oh, I didn't show you guys the seats light up. That's so cute. And also I can change the color. I'm trying to give you guys like an entire tour of the car tomorrow, but y'all, this is my baby. So cute. Yeah, so this is just some hair from Nice Wigs. So I believe this is the new headband wigs that I got one of to try for you guys. So they sent me a bunch of different headbands to go with the wig. I guess all of these right here are like stuff I have to review. I'll let you know once I finish opening them. Supernova, that's another hair company. Not sure what kind of hair this one is yet, but yeah, that's hair. So all these are like hair reviews I gotta do this week or next week. So I usually give myself like a 2-week time frame to complete a video, but because I have so many, so prior to these I already have to these one I'm just receiving. I already have about three or four more wigs I need to review that you guys are not seeing right here. So I have a shitload of work lined up for me, you guys, and sometimes it's really overwhelming. So this one is from RPG hair. This is one of my favorite hair companies. They have some bomb hair, you guys. Wig encounters. Ooh, we got a colored wig. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you guys too much because I want you guys to watch the hair videos. But yeah, we got wigs up on top of wigs. You guys already know BoxyCharm. It's like a monthly subscription box. So every month you pay $21. I believe $21.99, and you get a box with about 5 to 7 makeup products, full size makeup products. That's worth around like $130. I'm gonna show you guys what comes inside. So this is the monthly box. This is what I got for whatever month this one was for. So I got a 5-piece Morphe set eyeshadow brush. Let's move this. What is this? Day cream dot. I'll be using that. This one is from Milk. I'm not too sure exactly what this is. Oh, it's eye patches. So it's like water eye patches. Let me just open it and show you guys. Doesn't really see, but you basically put it on the eyes if you have bags or whatever. And you want to soothe those bags. Them Chanel bags on the eyes. I be getting them every now and then. And then we also have a Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette with some pretty cool. Some music down. So today, I'm on my way. We're gonna go get a facial because my face is not doing it for me right now. I have a lot of breakouts. So we're just gonna go get it together because it's not together right now. It's not looking how it's supposed to be looking. So I have a facial. I'm gonna take you guys with me.
this car.
You can't right now. It's not finished setting up.
It's done.
How you know?
It's done now. But he has to fix this now. Mama, where you going?
Say hi. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Getting the seafood boil ready. Mama in the kitchen. We got the corn, lobster tail, shrimps, crab, some scallops. That shit looks so good. Oh my god. What do we have over here? Oh my. Go to Popeyes. So I'm actually finish off the vlog after we go to Popeyes. Try that chicken sandwich that you guys are all going crazy about in the States. I really need to see like what the hype was all about, because I need to be like, was that sandwich really what you guys were fighting over? So we're gonna go to Popeyes, and then yeah, I'm gonna finish off this vlog here for y'all. We got to see what this shit is giving. Okay, so that's a spicy chicken. They barely put any fucking sauce on this shit. Alright. Taste test. I like the pickle. It gives it like a little crunchiness. But to eat a pickle on my sandwich, I don't eat pickles on my sandwich, my burgers, nothing at all. But the pickle in here is actually good. And this is a spicy sandwich. I don't like spicy food either, but it's not that spicy, you know. It's good, but I kind of don't see the hype. Like, what was you guys fighting over? This is what you guys were fighting over? This literally tastes like a zinger. Pickles are A1. Should taste like a zinger from KFC. Anyways, I'm about to finish off this vlog right here. I'll definitely be doing a lot of these in the near future. If you guys did enjoy this video, comment down below and let me know. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!